Okay students, this is a small video, question number 16 NCERT NPO page number 57. Following receipts and payment account was prepared from the cash book of Delhi Charitable Trust for the year ending December 31st 2017. So December 31st 2017 is current year in the books of Delhi Charitable Trust. You have to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st December 2017 and balance sheet. Okay, let us go through the adjustments. It was decided to treat 1/3 of the amount received on account of donation as income, which means 2/3 amount is a capital income. So donation is 9,000, 1/3 of donation is 3,000. 3,000 will appear in the income side of income and expenditure account, and 6,000 will appear in the current year's balance sheet, that is 2017 balance sheet, liability side, donation. Okay, the name will be donation. Insurance premium was paid in advance for 3 months. So what is insurance premium paid? Where is it appearing? Insurance, you can see here. So insurance is 2,000. Okay, so this 2,000 was paid in advance for 3 months. So what you have to do is, one year has 12 months, and insurance payment was paid for 3 months advance, which means it was paid for 15 months. So for 15 months, if the insurance amount is 2,000, what is the amount of the insurance for 3 months? That's what you have to do. So 2,000 into 3 divided by 15. 2,000 into 3 by 15. Sorry for that. 3 ones are 3 fives are, 5 fours are 20. So that comes to 400 rupees. So 400 rupees is prepaid insurance. Okay. Now this insurance will appear in the expenditure side, inner column 2,000 minus 400. 1,600 will appear in expenditure side of income and expenditure account. The 400 will appear in the balance sheet of current year's balance sheet asset side. Okay, so that is over. Coming to interest on investment, 1,100 accrued was not received. So it is income accrued, not received. Interest on investments, income side 4,500 plus accrued 1,100. 5,600 will appear in the income side, and this 1,100 will appear in current year's balance sheet asset side. Okay, then one second. Next item, rent of rupees 600. So rent of rupees 600, salary 900, advertising expenses 1,000 are outstanding as on 2018. So what is the current year? 2017. So children, it's a printing mistake. It is not 2018. Change this to 2017. So these are current year's outstanding. What we have to do with current year's outstanding? Add it with the respective expense and show it in the expenditure side of income and expense account. So you have rent, salary and advertising expenses. So rent, salary and advertising expenses. Add the outstanding amount and show it in the expenditure side of income and expenditure account, and this outstanding amount alone will appear in the current year's balance sheet, that is the closing balance sheet. Okay, so that is over. All the adjustments are over. So now you will be wondering how to find the capital fund. No opening balance is given, isn't it? Not an issue. Opening cash in hand and opening cash at bank are the capital fund. So 11,500 plus 12,600, 24,100 is your opening capital fund. This capital fund will be transferred to your closing balance sheet, and with that you have to add or subtract surplus or deficit. Now donation we have already dealt. Subscription, it is 42,800 and no adjustment regarding subscription is given. So the full amount 42,800 will appear in the income side. Legacy. Legacy being a general legacy, it will appear in the income side. If you have any confusion regarding legacies, it is mentioned in NCERT book itself. In this book itself, it is mentioned that legacy which are general in nature are revenue and which are specific in nature have to be capitalized and shown on the liability side. This legacy is general, so it will appear in the income side. Interest on investment, we have done with it. Sale of newspaper, income. Charity, it is a kind of money which you spend, so expense. Rent and tax, salary, we have to add outstanding amount and show it in the expense. Printing, postage, expense. Advertisement, add the outstanding amount. Insurance, subtract the prepaid amount. Furniture will appear in the current year's balance sheet asset side. Investment, current year's balance sheet asset side. Cash in hand and cash at bank, current year's balance sheet asset side. Okay children, so it's a very easy sum. Solve it on your own. Okay, I would like to end this video.